So, I receive a sad story today. Very bad news. Pero I think it's also a good news. Kasi yung kuya ng kaibigan ko already passed away today. And ang message ng kaibigan ko sa akin is take care of yourself. Lagaan mo yung sarili mo. Sabi niya sa akin. So sabi ko sa kanya, we should all take care of our health ourselves. Bakit? So if you take care of your physical health, you have more time to do good deeds. You have more time to do something, fulfill your mission. So please take good care of your health.